How to get Roblox on your Nintendo Switch. Let's get started. First, go to your Nintendo Switch system settings. Then tap on Internet settings, select your Wi-Fi network and hit change settings. Scroll down to DNS settings section. By default, it's set to automatic. Change it to manual. Now under primary DNS, enter this code exactly 045.055.142.122. Then hit save. Try to reconnect to your Wi-Fi. It will fail. That's normal. Just click next when prompted. You'll now be redirected to the Switch Brew DNS page. From the DNS page, choose Google as your browser. Search for Roblox. Go to the official login page and sign into your account. You can now play Roblox directly from your Switch browser, just like on a PC. Once you are done playing Roblox, go back to Internet settings. Set DNS back to automatic to use other online apps. The manual DNS will stay saved. So next time you want Roblox, just switch it back and that's it. That's how you get Roblox working on your Nintendo Switch. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.